Hi, this is Nick. In this video, I will show you how to sort or rearrange columns in a matrix table or line chart using a simple but powerful feature called sort by columns. For instance, we will arrange the days of the week in the correct order, starting with Sunday, followed by Monday, Tuesday, and so on. We will also do the same thing for month, ensuring they follow the proper sequence, January, February, March, and beyond. Finally, I will also demonstrate how to rearrange country names in any order you prefer. First, let's check out scenario 1. In a matrix table or line chart, we will make sure the days of the week are arranged in the right order, starting with Sunday and then followed by Monday, Tuesday, and so on. And here is how the raw data looks like. We have country, volume, and date column. And then we need to create a new column using this function, so that you will have a new column that displays the days of the week. And then we also need to create another column with the weekday function to tell Power BI what is the right order or sequence for each day. And each day is represented by a whole number. So the week starts with Sunday, represented by the number 1. And then Monday will be number 2, and Saturday will be number 7 for the last day of the week. And of course, you can change the formula a little bit to make Monday as the first day of the week. And then put the column days of the week under columns for your matrix table or line chart. Then select the days of the week column, and you can tell the column has a grid background around it, meaning it is selected. And then go to sort by column, and let it sort by the order column we created. And now you can see that the days are reordered properly, starting with Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday, and so on. And then scenario 2, let's talk about month. We have the line chart or table chart with a round order by month, and we will fix it by having the correct order by month. Same thing as scenario 1, we have the same data, and we need to create a new column with this formula to show the name of each month, like this. And then step 2, we need to create a new Excel file that contains 2 columns, the month and the month order. And the values in the month column need to match exactly what we have on the month column in Power BI. So Jan means January, Feb means February, and so on. And then the month order in the Excel file will tell Power BI what is the correct sequence. Like Jan will be the first month, Feb will be the second one. And then we're going to connect this new month order table with your table using the month column, and make sure the cross-filter direction is set to be both. Then for the line chart, let's use the month column from the month order table, which is the new Excel file we created, and put it under x-axis, and do the same thing if you also prefer a table chart. And then select the month column, and that way you can tell it is selected because there's a gray background around it. Then go to sort by column and sort it by month order. Now you can see that the sequence in the table chart is accurate, but not quite accurate in the line chart, as we need to adjust one more thing. Click on the 3 dots, sort axes by month, not by total volume. Click on the 3 dots again, sort ascending, and now you have the correct sequence in the line chart as well. Now let's look at scenario 3. You have a matrix table with a bunch of columns for countries, and right now they are sorted alphabetically. But what if we want to change the sequence so that Germany will stay at the far left, and then Spain, and then France? So still the same raw data, and we also need to create another new Excel file that contains the country order for each country. And connect this country order table to your original table using the same country column, and then make sure the cross-filter direction is set to be both. And then on the matrix chart, select the country column from the country order table, not from your original table, and put it under columns. And select the country column again, then go to sort by column, sort it by country order, and now the sequence of the columns is changed.